Good day, viewers. Walter here. Going to do just a little bit of a afternoon vlog. The temperature is a wonderful 72 degrees out here in the shade. Don't have a whole lot to share with you today, but we're going to take care of a few chores. Let's start off with a look at my hydrangea plant that I went to so much trouble to cover up. Now you'll see the dark around the edge of the leaves where they got freeze damage. Those leaves feel dead, but it looks like I saved my plants pretty good, except for the ones right here that were touching the... It'll probably grow another sprout. My hydrangeas are still going to look pretty good. This one pretty well got freeze damage. Wife got out here yesterday and washed her car. I'm not much on washing cars, but she likes to keep her car clean. Let's feed the birds. Oh, wait a minute. I got out here yesterday and cleaned the hummingbird feeders. And I was going to come out today and see if I had any drinking yet, but we've been off driving around all day. We went off to see the grandbabies and stuff for a day or two, so we haven't did a vlog lately. I should move this feeder over there. This is too close. All right, come down. That's too low. Okay. Go up with it. That'd be a perfect height for the tripod. Spring is just about definitely here now. I kind of rushed it last week. It's just about time to drag out my lawnmower again. I know my viewers up north are wishing it was spring there, and I'm sure spring is right around the corner there as well. It looks like some of my zinnias might be starting to bloom. They need some watering. See if we can give them a drink of water. Give them a little head start. As dry as it's been here lately, yeah, I definitely have some zinnias coming up. We need to give them a drink of water. Maybe fill up the bird feeder. So basically all I'm sharing with you today is me doing a little talking and sharing this beautiful day here in Griffin, Georgia. The leaves are really popping out on that maple tree over there. I should see some azaleas blooming pretty soon. The yard is turning nice and green. I had a nice bird singing a while ago. I guess he moved on. Didn't want to drag out the garden hose. Not all that dirty, so we just sweep it out a little bit. honestly and truly have not seen the first hummingbird this year. So I thought what I'd do is set up my tripod and see if I can share the first hummingbird with you. I might video for 2 hours and no hummingbirds show up. I don't know. Will we catch a hummingbird today?